Wait, you guys are not going to believe this one.
Picture this. It's the middle of a winter storm. Thousands of people are freezing.
And guess what? Knocked out power for roughly 5,000 customers in Louisville. Not ice, not heavy winds, but a small group of foil balloons. Seriously, LG and E confirmed that these seemingly innocent shiny decorations were released and drifted right into the power lines. Now, if you didn't know, foil balloons conduct electricity, which means contact with power lines can cause instant outages, fires, and even injuries. This isn't just an inconvenience, it's a major safety hazard, especially when people rely on electricity for heat during extreme weather. The utility company is begging customers to use common sense and please stop releasing these things. It seems simple, right? Keep the shiny, conductive decorations away from the massive source of electrical current powering your neighborhood. So next time you're celebrating, maybe anchor those balloons tightly.
Or better yet, opt for something earth-friendly.
Let's keep the lights on and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you want more updates like this.